My name is Elsie. I am 27 years old. People say my life looks normal. I work in an office. I rent a small apartment. I walk to work every morning. I pay my bills and live a quiet life. Nothing feels strange about my life, except for one thing. Every morning at exactly 8:10, I see the girl in red. The first time I saw her, I did not feel scared. She stood on the corner near my office building. She was small and very still. She did not move or speak. She wore a red coat, red shoes, and a red ribbon in her hair. She looked straight at me. I thought she was waiting for someone, so I kept walking and forgot about it. The next day, she was there again. She stood in the same place. She wore the same clothes. Her face looked the same. She did not move, blink, or shift her weight. She did not look cold or tired. I walked faster that morning. By the third day, something felt wrong. People walked past her. Cars passed her. Life moved around her, but she stayed still. She always watched me. I told myself I was thinking too much and that it meant nothing. A full week passed and she never missed a morning. I started checking the corner before I arrived. She was always there already. Never early, never late. Always at 8:10. She felt fixed, like something that could not change, like a memory that would not go away. I asked people at work if they noticed her. No one did. Some laughed, some changed the subject, some looked worried, but no one saw what I saw. The girl in red stayed. After that, I noticed something else. People near that corner started disappearing. A man who sold coffee every morning was suddenly gone. A woman who walked her dog past the corner never came back. A security guard near the street also disappeared. There were no questions, no new stories, no signs anything was wrong. When I asked about them, people acted confused. They said those people were never there. They said nothing had changed. After a while, I stopped asking. I began to write things down. Dates, faces, small details. I wanted proof that I was not imagining it. Then I saw a pattern. Everyone who disappeared had looked at the girl for too long. One evening, I stayed late at work. The street was quiet and empty. The girl was still there. This time, she was alone. She moved for the first time. She turned her head slightly and smiled. My heart started beating very fast. That night, I dreamt I was standing on the same corner. I was smaller. I wore a red coat. People walked past me, but no one stopped. No one helped. I stood there for a long time. I woke up crying. The dreams came every night after that. I stood and waited. Days passed. Years passed. People forgot me. Then I forgot myself. Even my name felt far away. I started searching online. I looked at old city records and missing person files. I read news articles from many years ago. Then I found one from 1999. It talked about a child who went missing after a road accident. The child wore red. She stood near a traffic light. The car never stopped. There was a photo. When I saw it, my body went numb. It was her. It was me. The name under the photo was Elise Morrow, age 7. That night, my memory came back. The loud street, the noise, my mother calling my name, then silence. I remembered standing up alone. People walked past me. They did not look back. They walked through me. That was when I understood. I did not survive. I stayed. The girl in red was not hunting people. She was waiting for someone to truly see her. When someone did, they remembered something painful from their own life. Their mind could not hold it. Part of them kept living, the other part stayed there with her. That was why no one remembered the missing people. They were not gone, they were stuck. This morning, the girl stood closer than ever. She stood right in front of me. Her eyes met mine. She reached out, and I felt calm. She smiled. Then she became me. Now I stand on the corner every morning. I wear red. I wait. Some people slow down. Some almost stop. Most keep walking. When someone looks for too long, I smile.